Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a credit card for electricity bill payment. Paying your electricity bill with a credit card is a smart move for several reasons. It offers incredible convenience, allowing you to manage your finances from anywhere. Plus, you can earn valuable rewards like cashback or points, turning a necessary expense into a benefit. This method also helps you maintain a good credit score and manage your monthly budget more efficiently. Let's walk through the simple steps to get this done. First, visit your electricity provider's official website or open their mobile app. You'll need to log into your existing account or quickly register if it's your first time. Once logged in, look for the Bill Pay or Payment Options section. This is where you'll find the choice to pay your current balance. It's usually very clearly marked for easy access. Now it's time to input your credit card details. Carefully type in your 16-digit credit card number, the expiration date, and the 3- or 4-digit security code from the back of your card. It's crucial to double-check all this information to avoid any payment issues. Before finalizing, confirm the payment amount and be aware of any small processing fees, which are typically around 1 to 3%. Finally, submit your payment and save the confirmation. To make the most of this payment method, remember a few key tips. Always aim to pay your credit card bill in full and on time to avoid any interest charges, which can quickly negate your rewards. Be mindful of any small convenience fees your utility provider might charge. These are usually a few dollars. For ultimate ease, consider setting up autopay for your electricity bill. Lastly, regularly monitor your credit card statements for any unauthorized transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.